How to buy Robux using your Google Play balance. Now, what you want to do is make sure that you're currently doing this process on your mobile device for the most convenient way. Because if you're going to be using your laptop or PC, it's going to be a bit complex for you to log into any available app store that you can use using your laptop. So on your phone, what you want to do first is just to access your App Store or your Google Play Store. And from here, just head out straight into your account profile at the top right hand portion of your screen, and then just simply go into payments and subscriptions. In here, you can go ahead and check on how much balance you have on your Google Play or your Google Pay. Make sure that you have sufficient amount of funds for you to be able to make the payment go through. So what you want to do to purchase it using your Google Play balance is just your casual thing to do, purchasing a Roblox using your laptop or PC or even from your mobile device. That's it. That's how you buy Roblox with the Google Play balance.